I made a video previously about printing directly to magnetic. And I know some people have had some troubles printing to magnetic, so I wanted to make another video to help clarify things a little bit and to explain some of the information we know now, as well as some new developments that are available on our HP Media Locator. So if you're going to print on a magnet, roll magnet film, you can print on roll magnet film that is fully magnetized. But not all roll magnet film works equally well. And you have to keep in mind that the spec on the printer is 0.5 millimeters, which is just a little under 020. It's barely under 020. So technically 020 magnetic is out of spec. You want to be just under that. Now 020 magnetic will go through the machine just fine, but it is out of spec, and we do create a spec for a reason. I have good news though. There are two key magnetics on the HP Media Locator, and those magnetics are by a company called Magnum Magnetics. The first one is the Muscle Mag. Now Muscle Mag they've had on for quite some time, and we've revisited the preset and we've developed what we think is a very solid preset, or if you will, profile that will allow you to run on that material very successfully. It is just under 020, and the Muscle Mag is designed to be a high intensity magnetic. That is, the magnet is we'll just say for conversational sake, it's 020, but it has all the high intensity attributes of an 030 magnetic, so you can put it on a car. Normally you can't put an 020 magnetic on a car because it's not strong enough, and when the wind hits it, it'll peel off and blow away. You don't want that. So this 020 high intensity has the strength of an 030 magnetic, but the thickness of an 020, and that is the Muscle Mag, and that is on the locator. First recommendation. The second recommendation is a new product, which also can apply to print and cut, because you can use the knives on the cutter to cut through and score magnetic, no problem. Now, when you use this other magnetic, be aware, it was specifically developed for latex, okay? They made it as an 015, and it is more heat resistant. Normally with magnets, as you get thinner, they become more temperature sensitive. And at some point it becomes very difficult to print on them because the heat causes deformation. So the guys over at Magnum Magnetics developed an 015 that is also very temperature resistant. This is on the Media Locator also, and this is certified media. If you print on this, it's probably your best bet for, say, indoor magnetics, as well as things that you might want to use in conjunction with the print and cut, because you can use magnet for print and cut. Just wanted to update you on the two, let you know there are two products on the Media Locator, let you know what they're for, and then let you know what their applications are. I mean, you can stick a magnet on anything, but if it's going to go outside on a car, you want that Muscle Mag, and if it's going to go inside, we're recommending the Digimag. Just some explanation, a little clarification, trying to help all of the good latex printers out there manage their applications more effectively.